Good day, viewers. Thanks for watching. Look at the question I have on the board, and it says find the linear function fs such that fs1x equals to minus 3 and f of 1 equals to 4. Option A minus 3x plus 4. Option B minus 3x minus 4. Option C 4 plus 3x. Option D minus 3x minus 7. Option E minus 3x plus 7. I want you to know that solution. This is the same linear function, and we know the equation for a gradient of a linear, which is equals to y equal to ms plus c. Ms plus c. But we have f of 1s. We have f of 1s to be minus 3. So this implies that m is equal to what? M is equal to minus 3. How? Because here we have x. They said f of x equals to minus 3. So we're going to substitute x minus 3 for x here. And when this minus 3 multiply this m, we're going to have minus 3m based on normal arithmetics. But let's continue. In my next video, I'm going to strike a balance on this. That is, I'm going to teach turning points, under turning point and maximum value and minimum value. Do you get? So now, in our next this thing, I'm going to do that. So we're going to say but f of 1 is equal to 4. This implies that ms plus c is equal to 4. How? We know that y is equal to ms plus c. So we are saying that this 4 is equal to y. Do you get? So for us to solve our question now, what do we need to do? We need to substitute m and just m now. But before that, we have that. Remember that we said that our m is minus 3. So mx plus c equal to 4. This minus 3x plus c equal to 4. So let's take s to be 1 because of this. Let's take s to be 1 because of this. So we're going to say minus 3 bracket 1 plus c equal to 4. So that is minus 3 plus c equal to 4. That is c is equal to 4 plus 3. And c is equal to plus 7. And c is equal to what? Plus 7. We have gotten c to be plus 7. Is that correct? Yes. Now, what are we actually looking for? We're looking for the linear function of f of x. Since we are looking for that, that means here we're going to say that f of s is equal to ms plus c. F of s is equal to what? Ms plus c. So, what is our m? What is our x? What is our c? So for now, at this point, we are going to substitute m and c into this equation to find our f of x. Do you get? So what do we do here? We say substitute m and c. Let me call this thing equation 1 so I can make a statement here into equation 1. So we have f of s equal to ms plus c. So this is equal to minus 3x plus 7. Final answer. Do we have such in our option? Yes, and that is the answer is E. Do you understand this? Do you understand this, or should I explain? Did you understand this, or should I explain? I should explain. Okay. Look at the question now. Let me drop this. This question says, find the linear function f of s such that this f of x, that is f1x is equals to minus 3, and f of 1 is equals to 4. I believe you've seen the options. So I said, using y equal to ms plus c, that is for gradient, that is the equation of gradient, y is equals to ms plus c. We use this for graph and all this collinear and coordinates geometry and all that. So very soon I'm going to teach coordinate geometry, I'm going to teach partial fraction, all this equation of circle to hyperbola to normal to eclipse to, I have a lot to teach on this channel. That's why I say please subscribe to my channel and follow me up. So now, but f1 of s is equals to minus 3 according to the question. This implies that m is equals to minus 3 because here I have x. So this minus 3 now I'll put it here, which is m is equals to minus 3. So it's going to be minus 3x. But f of 1 is equal to 4. This implies that ms plus c is equal to 4. Y is equals to ms plus c. So you're saying that this y now is equal to 4. You get? Now ms plus c equal to 4. What do you do now? We bring that y, that m. We substitute m here. When we substitute 3 for m, when we substitute minus 3 for m, we're going to have minus 3x plus c equals to 1. What did I say? Equals to 1, equals to 4. Where did I get this one from? We said f of 1 equal to 4. You get? So, because of this thing now, we used 1 to substitute this x here. So, minus 3 times 1 will give us minus 3 plus c equal to 4. C is equal to 4 plus 3. So, c is equal to 7. F of s is equals to ms plus c. And I call this equation 1 because this is actually the question we were asked. So, what do you have as x? We don't really know because we are told of f of x, but we know what m is and we know what c is. We know what m was and this. So substitute m and c into equation 1. What do we have as m? Minus 3. What do we have as c? Plus 7. So that's why we have f of x equals to minus 3x plus 7. See you in my next video.